Okay, and that's another project done. Once again, apologies for the echo, just slight difference in place where I'm recording today. Okay, so let's see what I've done. All I've done with this really is just varnish the bar, and I saw from a video by Wylock's Armory that he used a Magic the Gathering card as a item of decoration in his dungeon, so I thought I'd use one. It's just a basic land card. I thought I'd use one as a nice painting. So there's that. So this is obviously the kitchen area. So what have I made? Firstly, I didn't really make these, but I kind of reclaimed them. They still need a black wash. All they are is, do you know when you get some PVA glue? These are the inserts they get in the top of the tube to stop the glue from coming out. I thought they made pretty decent sized platters or plates. All I did was just spray them silver. So there's those. I made a little wash basin. All that is balsa and hot glue. Then I dabbed it while the hot glue was still kind of warm, just to give that kind of ripple effect. Then I just painted it blue and dry brushed it white. It's probably going to have to be washed. Then I made some kind of ale barrels, and that was just out of modelling clay. As you can still see at the bottom there. I made 3 of those, slightly different shapes. And this is the kind of prep table. So there's a nice big roll of bread there, some non-descriptive kind of meat ready to be prepped. Put that there. Also I had a little experiment with different types of meat. It's ready to be cooked or in the process of cooking. And I think my favourite part is the grill with the spit on top. As you can see, maybe just make out some bits are still red, like the meat has been cut away. And it fits on there. I'll show you everything close up. It will be a bit of a tight squeeze in there, but it all fits. Okay, so I just want to thank everyone who watches my videos. You get me up to 39 subs. I'm very close to my first goal of 50. Then, the sky's the limit. So I think the last thing will be to do the bar and kind of entertainment style area. I may do a stage, I'm not sure, but definitely a couple of seats and a couple of tables. Yeah, so just let me know in the comments what you think. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, as it greatly helps out the channel. It helps me grow. Feel free to share my videos in any appropriate forums. And if you ever have a build request, just drop it down in the comments. I'll add it to the pot of request holding. Then I do weekly picking, planning and shout out videos. Okay. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time, folks. Bye for now.